Good day, everyone. Today, will I talk about the Emmanuel idea of moral person and sharing short dystopical question thinking about their Ford can moral person act because on duty and reason on feelings or self-interest. He decide that what is the right should be universal means if someone is right for one person, it is showed alone be right for everyone. This is called the collegiality representative. Pero isipin natin kung paano reason at rules na ilang beses ng morality baka maging dystopical or maging mundo na walang empathy, walang puso at experience. Example, sabi ni Kant, bawal magsimula ng kahit makapagliligtas sa buhay at tama sa prinsipyo pero minsan mali sa puso. In the end, Kant the idea remember use that will reason to important truth and morally need both by duty and compassion. Hindi lang kung ano ang tama sa isip, kundi kung ano rin ang tama para sa kapwa-tao.